Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL 1X, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we begin, there's one thing that we'll need, which is this SIM eject tool. Now it comes provided somewhere in the box, so you can find it over there, and you can also use a paper clip and it should work just as well. So from there you want to pop out the tray, which is somewhere right here, as you can see where the pin is holding. So you push it in, the tray pops out, and from here you have access to SD tray right here and SIM tray right here. So make sure that they're both laying flush on there, and then you can insert it back into the device. There we go. Now one of them fell out, so there we go. Okay. So there we go, there is the pin for the SIM card. So I'm gonna put that in really quickly. And update. So this is the SIM still, and you can see the SD card being read as well right here. So a new SD card detected. So that is how you insert both the SIM card and the SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.